Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Citibank to Citibank Transfer Review Watch before using. Use your CD mobile app and verify recipient details before sending any transfer. I'll walk you through transfer limits, speed, and fee expectations in plain language so you know what to expect. I'll point out common errors, authentication steps, and ways to avoid delays. Stay calm, follow steps, and you'll move money with confidence today. Transfers can incur fees, limits, and timing differences depending on account and method. I'll explain where to find fee schedules, how daily limits like $50, 000 may apply, and when transfers are free. We'll cover internal instant options and standard ACH timing so you know whether funds arrive same day or later. Follow the simple checks I recommend to avoid rejected transactions and unexpected charges for peace of mind. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading during transfers easier and more relaxing. If you like clear screens and long battery life, it's a solid pickup for commutes or waiting on confirmations. Please subscribe and like if this video helps you, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Consider a case and screen protector to keep it safe. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication, monitoring recent activity, and using strong passwords. Avoid public Wi-Fi when sending transfers and verify recipient details by phone if unsure. If something looks wrong, freeze the transfer and contact CD immediately so they can investigate and help. Set up alerts for transfers and check limits monthly. Keep the app updated, log out after use, and use biometric unlock for secure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.